At the Dutch Tech Campus in Zoetermeer, the Circular Circuits outreach event brought together researchers, companies, and policymakers to face one question. How can the Netherlands make the next generation of electronics circular on a component, PCB, and product levels? The day was hosted by Reconext, a leader in reuse and recycling, and one of the 21 partners in the Circular Circuits project funded by the Dutch Research Organization and led by Professor Arnold Tucker.
As a recycling company, we are in the midst of a changing world with circularity and sustainability becoming more important every day, and other topics such as critical raw materials also taking an importance right now. So it's really important for us as well as a company to keep developing and look into the future.
Turning academic knowledge into hands-on practice. That's where circularity leaves the lab and enters the economy. But making electronics circular also means navigating the changing landscape of policy and regulation.
The regulation is not always easy, it's sometimes getting complex. Collaboration with different parties is extremely important. So that is where we also have to play a role.
Helping companies adapt, share knowledge, and stay ahead of the rules turns obligation into opportunity. This message echoed throughout the event. Real circularity can't be achieved alone. It takes an entire network, from suppliers to recyclers, moving together.
I find it's really interesting that all of these consortium members, they are so enthusiastic to create more circular strategies and circular business models. The trend we can observe now, OEM and service provider, also internet service provider, they are already working on joint business model. So it's actually a very good example for the whole industry to see how we can achieve circularity together.
In the Netherlands, Circular Circuits connects those dots, creating new partnerships, new business models, and new ways of keeping technology in use longer. From design for disassembly and repair to smarter recovery of critical raw materials, the Circular Circuit project explores the full chain. Each partner brings something unique. Universities develop fundamental knowledge, industrial companies pilot them in practice, and policymakers help clear the path. The outreach event with more than 70 attendees showed that circularity in electronics is no longer a future ambition. It's a growing movement. Together, industry, research, and government are redesigning how technology changes businesses and lives of people.